Hello, my amazing students. Thank you for joining me. Are you ready to learn something new? Let's get started. Are we supposed to learn numbers today? Yes, but in our style. Today, let's learn the phonetic sound of numbers. So, let's start. 1 O N on. Word 1 is a tricky word because O is tricky here. O is giving the sound of W and he says W instead of O, and E is silent here. So we blend it like this. One. Another tricky word. Here W is silent and O is giving O sound. So we read it like this. O, 2. 3. E, 3. Here we are having two digraphs. TH is giving a soft sound and double E is make a long E sound. E. 4. O, 4. UR is R controlled vowel. 5. I, 5. I is a long vowel. 6. X, 6. CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. 7. N, 7. 8. 8. EIGH is a long A sound. 9. 9. Magic E is here. 10. 10. CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. Students, let's clap for ourselves because we did R control vowel, magic E, tricky letters, digraph, blend CVC just in numbers 1 to 10. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and take a good care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.